haga bedai bat ka Shee Cement pila kumto. Pia ba pikot. Lada ka government kalong ka coach siya ka perkat. Shwa bagan ai ka permission ki pelong ka ta ka public hearing ban skap ya ka jing sngo jing ki bobon. Mo bat ka jing pen sngo. Teka ka kamram juga Sorkar ban thawi kita ki jing pen sngo jong ki ba Pyrshah bat ki ba yasha. Bat mdei taman ong balabun ba Pyrshah ban su Pyrshah bet. Lani babun ba yasha ban su ai bet. Kadai ban thau kan ya ki merits ba ki demerits. Jong kata ka factory kumnu kan pen mentoy yang ni ki try meluk ki try jika kumnu kan tak ka Sorkar kan khot ji jing sngo ji pai ba bat lada ka sngo thu bagadan ka jing Pyrshah ji pai ba ka bam song nong rim kadai ka kamram juga Sorkar ban pen sngo thu yaki tu ki pai ba em kalong ka ba bakala la repi kan taj ndre ka Sorkar kam ko man ai ka tagala bat ka ba sngo si kalong bangi iba kadon ka jing ti surok lari ki samla jingi ki ba so khia ya ka kam bam sap ya ka jing 330 ki surok ki le ki clear ka to ka surok ka ti ki sha IFIR ki pat ka banjai ki tu ki ba ti knang ban persniu ki surok te ka tu hi ke jingle ka pen subas new ba ka Sorkar hi ka kwa ba ka outcome juga tu public hearing ka de balong positive na kata daw Kim Ailad dia ki ba Pyrshah ba kini dan bentah te na kata daw nginum priang ya ka report ba nginum priang ya ka tu ka public hearing ka tu ka public hearing ka de ban declare null and void ngingin namla ban priang
Hatu ki ba kani ka jinglong jingman ka ka jingya subut lang ka cement factory ba Sorkar
wat uri pat baru uyo ikum ta te ngangit baru ki ikum ta te pi ngingin numla ban trei kum trei ki Pyrshah group ngide ka responsible political party ngim semua don kam bangin ai ultimatum je government in fact the duty and responsibility of the government mo ban snap ye gani ban reach out to us why we have to hit the street that is the question you should ask. Why do we have to hit the street? Because repeatedly we have been denied. Repeatedly we have been ignored by the government when we raise these issues. Nakata-kataw kay ni sapan bi kumni. Ndila ta ka Sorkar ka khot ikan ni penbet baling ni penbun kam kumni ki pai pa.
Ni ba akan maka Sorkar
in assembly these issues?
Definitely I have listed many issues to be taken up, but as you know, as you are aware of the fact, time is too limited inside the assembly, and it is the way they conduct the assembly is not encouraging, and it is not, I would say, acceptable to us because we have been even denied the chance to raise important issues on the floor of the house.
So do you think this march the secretariat has been successful? Are you happy with that turnout?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Do you think the message has been conveyed?
Yeah, I'm happy. Who can raise this much of crowd, spontaneously without spending a single paisa? You tell me. Should I not be happy? Should I not be satisfied? I mean...
So do you think the message has been conveyed to the government?
Especially on the working day, pardon?
Do you think that the message has been conveyed?
We believe it should convey, but if the government remains to be deaf, it's up to the government.
So